Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope I'm audible to all of you, right? Is the video clear? Please check. I'll just wait for you guys to reply. So is the audio, video all good? Yes? Just waiting for your comments. I can see a lot of you are already there. Okay, yes it is now, Anisha. Okay, Ayush, if we refer to this, we'll take your questions. Deeksha, Karnataka. All right. I think audio is clear, right? I hope you can see that. Please check. So yes, I'm live now. Have a look. Okay, so yes, I can see. Guys, so please join in. I'll wait for a couple of minutes before starting the questions. Kirti, hi Kirti, hello. Ayush is there. Anisha, others are also there, but I can't see their comments. Okay guys, come on. This session is for a the purpose is of course to solve the questions, but not only just, it's here to interact more, to ask your doubts. I can answer that. First we'll take only academics doubt regarding your questions, then we'll move on to your general questions, general doubts from your examination. Okay, Akash is saying hi Akash. Shanika is saying hi. Okay, hey. Vedu is saying hi. Chaliye. So a lot of you are already there. One more minute. Good afternoon, Shavita. So I'll just wait for 1 minute more, then start the session. Okay, just 1 more minute, then start the session. So shortcuts video, Prajwal. Yeah, I remember. Okay, bacha, we have some commitments right now. Okay, so that's why I'm working on these things. Once I am little bit free also, I'll make that question-based video. I'll give you some shortcuts over here also. Don't worry. So the questions that I'm taken over here, some will be based on P by Q, some will be different questions. So you see, every question I'll try to give you shortcuts. Every question that I'll solve, I'll give you shortcuts from where you can analyze and get the result. Works, Prajwal? Sir, you are the best one. Thank you, Prajwal. Okay, you are also the best, bacha. Let's start now. I think everybody is here. Okay, so I'll start. I know you guys are waiting for it. So let's not waste your time. Chaliye. Let's check it out. Question number 1. So now, as you know, so it's been a long time that I've been taking your live question sessions. So I want answers from all of you. So I will wait for a few seconds, 30 seconds for your answers. Then I'll start giving you my solution. Okay. So yes, started. Bankapur. Okay. So please check. Please start. Yes, sir, started already. Question number 1. Solve it, guys. Answer. Question number 1. Okay, so please start. Yes sir, I'm starting, sir. But no need to put those many comments, because otherwise I might miss some questions, right? So just one comment will be enough. Okay, Manjula, hi. Solve the question number 1. Let fx equal sine 2x cos 2x. Find this question's answer. Then we are looking for domain if it is invertible. Domain if it is invertible. Invertible means it has to be bijective. Please check and get me the answer. Guys, all of you who are live right now, answers please for question number 1. Okay, come on. Prajwal, Ram, Manjula, yes. Girish, we'll talk about all of that, bacha, right now. Let's come back to the session. People are waiting for those things, so we'll just solve the questions, then I'll take your questions. Okay, so if possible, just wait right now. Okay, Akash, Kirti, Ayush, guys, I want answers for this question. Nobody's giving me any answers. Why? Not in the mood to study today? What happened? Question number 1, what is the answer going to be? Please check. So I want GOF, right? I'm looking for GOF. Great. I'm looking for GOF. It means in the function g, I'll feed the function fx. So in this place of x, I'll write f of x. Please check. So replace x by this whole thing. So I want to get this as sine 2x plus what I have, cos 2x the whole square and minus 1. And minus 1. Is that okay? Please check. So I'll get over here sine square 2x plus cos square 2x. Now check, Prajwal, the hint will be, you can directly see from here, no? This step will give me what, sir? 2 sine 2x cos 2x. That's your hint. If you can see that from here, no? From here you're gonna get this as 2 sine 2x cos 2x. How come, sir? Because you have to think ahead. This square and this square will make 1, right? Check it out. This will make 1. You'll have a plus. The same value will come over here, and minus 1 is there. So I'll get this and this 1. We will cancel with 1. I have the answer as 2 sine 2x cos 2x. From here what I get? Sine 4x. So this is your shortcut actually. After writing this first step, you get the answer sine 4x. What is the bacha now? You're looking for a constant on 4x, right? Usually what we get, this value has to be, whatever is sign operated on, that has to be between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Is it always true, sir? Is this always true? No, bacha. This is for the truncated part of the domain, right? Remember, I taught you this thing in the ITF section. We have to truncate the domain of sine function, cos function to make it invertible. Correct, na? So I'm truncating it from where to where? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to make it bijective. Correct? Okay, otherwise it will not be 1, 1. Got it? So from here you can check 4 on this side and 4 on this side will give me answer as minus pi by 8, comma, pi by 8. Have a look. Option D is correct. Okay. So Sanika has given me the right answer. Phoenix has given me the right answer. Okay, Nishchit, bacha, wrong answer. C is not right. Riyaj, please try again. So explain fully, sir. Alright, bacha, what I did, no, I just taken in the G, I put X as this F value, right? Because we are looking for Goff, right? And then used this whole square as sin 2x the whole square, cos 2x the whole square, and then 2 sin 2x cos 2x. 2 sin 2x cos 2x. Okay, the minus 1 is here. This and this makes plus 1. Minus 1 is cancelled. I have 2 sin 2x cos 2x becomes sin 4x. Okay, and 4x will be between, bacha, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Reason being, I want bijective function. Actually, x belongs to all real number for sin x, right? For sin x, x belongs to all real number. Correct, now that's the domain of sine. But important thing is looking for bijection. I have to truncate the graph. Graph has to be truncated. Please check. You'll have the value of the graph as like this, no? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is your minus pi by 2. And this is your pi by 2. When you do that, you'll have 1, 1 function. This is your sin x, okay? This is your sin x. So that's why I've taken minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Dividing both sides by 4, you get pi by 8, pi by 8. Now it is clear. Felix is saying this is not a p by q. I think it's a p by q, bacha. I think it's a p by q. It's I think one of the recent p by qs. So that's why the trend. That's why I take the questions like that. It's very trendy. Okay, question can be explained like this, and you can see such an interesting question. No, Goff and fog operator is there. Use of bijective function is there. So one question uses lot of things: graph, principle of domain and range, and also your of course composite functions. Please check. So I hope now the answers are right. Can I move to the next question? So this, have a look one more time. Question number 1 is done. Question number 2 now. Okay, guys, I'll take more and more doubts, don't worry. Just let's continue with the session also. So I hope this is clear, Kushal. Question number 2. Everyone give me answer. Everyone give me answer. So all of you who are here, please give me answer. Shanika, Phoenix, Savita, Manjula, Girees, Ram, Prajwal, everyone, come on. Okay, Ravi, come on, give me the answer for the second question. F defined from R to R, all real numbers. Please. Fg defined from R to R. Please check. So we are looking for only fog condition for x less than 0. So basically you can see here, first you have to operate on G first. Let's understand the nature of G. Nature of G, what is that? When x is less than 0. Have a look. For G, what is we have, bacha? We have mod of x minus x. Okay. We have gx as mod of x minus x. For x less than 0, mod will open with a minus sign. So we have over here minus x, and this is as it is. We get minus 2x. This is your correct for x less than 0. Now we are looking for fog. Please check for fog. Okay. Again for the same condition, x less than 0. Okay. Good afternoon, Ashmita. So x is less than 0. In the function f, I'll replace this x by gx. What is that, bacha? Minus 2x. Put it over here. You get minus 2x of minus sign. Correct, na? Because there's a modulus. So you'll open with a minus sign. And of course you'll have, please check, minus 2x. What are you going to get for this? You'll have basically 2x minus 2x. Answer will be 0. So your fog is coming as 0 for x less than 0. Answer will be option A. Are these questions difficult, guys? Because I'm not seeing a lot of comments from all of you. Phoenix has given me the right answer. A is correct. Question number 2, A is correct. Only Phoenix gave me the right answer. Now Sanika is giving. Hi Kavita. Geeta, bacha, answer is C. So are the questions difficult? They are supposed to be, right? It's a rank booster series. So I've not taken all the questions. I've taken the challenging problems which has multiple concept. The reason of me taking these questions has one question has more than one concept, and that can be that's how the question has been asked in KCET. They don't ask unique questions from the concept, okay? Only in the integration they ask. Usually they ask you clubbing multiple concepts. Those questions are here. Please check. So C, Kavita is answer. I could not understand, sir. Kirti is saying, which part, bacha? Check here. Gx, right? For less than 0, it will be negative, okay? So for that, you will have mod opening with. Think about, no. If you take x value as -2, what happened to the mod of x? It becomes minus of -2, right? Then only it becomes 2. Correct? That's what we've done. Minus of minus x. Please check. So you have minus of x over here. X is -2, so minus of x over here. It becomes -2x. Same things over here. And now you apply same condition what you applied over here. Please check. Okay? For the second part, for the fog part. So minus of -2x, and this remains as it is. You have 2x minus 2x, answer will be 0. Okay? Let's move on. Hi Nagraj. 2 is done. Third question now. Okay? So before the third question, Tasmiya is saying, good afternoon sir, I'm here for the first time. Hello Tasmiya, welcome bacha. I hope you keep joining the next sessions onwards. You are having so many chapters coming on in physics, chemistry, maths. So please join the KCET Rank Booster series. It's going to be very, very useful to all of you. Now if you are somebody who's actually looking to get a very good rank in KCET, you guys keep asking me, sir, solve more questions sir. Bacha, in the limited time that we have, no, I cannot do those many questions, okay, over here. But what I can do is, I can ask you guys to join the KCET test series. In that you have 35 tests. Of course, I cannot do it, but it's already done over there. If you want, you can see the sessions chapter wise, whichever you want, in the physics, chemistry, maths, wherever you want. Pick those mocks and write those mocks. In the mocks, you have 60 questions each. Okay, total of 35 mocks are there. You can choose that at 14.98. And if you're somebody who's looking to do Comet K crash course, we're also launching at 1,999. Okay, so in that you get mock tests as well. You get complete syllabus coverage of 11th and 12th, 5-year previous year question papers you get, and live sessions are on the doubt. Class notes will also be given to you. So please make sure that if you're looking for Comet K, take the crash course. If you're looking for KCET, more solving of the questions different than the PYQs, please take the Abhyas KCET test series. Okay, chaliye. So now I can see some questions coming in. I couldn't understand, sir. That is clear, bacha. I hope it is clear, Kirti. Okay, Shreya has given me answer as A. Very good. This question number 3 now. Chaliye. Hi Manjula, I'll take your questions. Second PUC result. Bacha, right now there's no clear indication of the dates or something. I don't want to give you wrong information. No information is better than wrong information, bacha, okay? So don't fall into those stress things. Avoid stress, bacha, right now. Work on the things that you are, that's in front of you. What is that? Question number 3. Solve it. Come on. I have taken a lot of questions. I have to solve all of it. I've taken from all the chapters, bacha. So to solve all the questions, it's a rank booster, means all chapters combined. Okay, so please solve the questions. It will be around 1.5 hour session. Asmita is saying, sir, only by studying just from online can I get good rank? Bacha, rank, I'll tell you what, very honestly, it's a teacher's most honest answer. Rank, they can only assist you in the best way possible. Rank comes from your hard work. If you actually have done the work, no, if you have followed the session properly, if you are able to solve the questions that I'm doing in the sessions comfortably, you gonna definitely get a good rank in the online session. Okay, can you not see that in the online sessions, are we not doing everything that you need? We are doing everything. We have done so many series. As first we did for PU2. You saw we got very good results in PU2. Okay, the comparison was given by you guys only. Once the result comes, you'll know that you have done a good work. Now again for KCET as well, we are doing whatever we can from our side. Okay, online for free. Okay, so yes, we are putting everything, but again, if the efforts are given by you, you'll get a good result. Let's continue. So I'm getting the answers. Third, domain of cos inverse of x. Only will worry about this, bacha. Correct. Now cos inverse of x. What if let's say this was some value y? We know this y will range from where to where? -1 to 1. So I have, please check, this ranging from -1 to 1. Okay, -1. Understand this. If I have -1.5 in this, what I get the answer as? -2. So basically I have to limit myself to -1 if I remove this function x. Okay, what about this part, bacha? What about this part? For this part I'll have, even if I take 1.99999 in this, what is the answer? 1 only, right? So basically 2 but open, because if you put 2, the answer is 2. So I have to keep the 2 side open. This is open, sir, please check. So x belongs to -1 close and 2 open. D is the answer. Can you see the question? Okay. Chaliye. So B, I'm getting all of the questions by you guys wrong. Okay, if I could, I'm gonna smack you all. Why answers are B, Samarth? Why answer B, bacha? There is no 2 included. Okay, I think you did not see the question, right? Bacha, this is closed bracket. Okay, that's the mistake. Is it not clearly visible? I hope this is visible, Samarth. This is closed bracket, bacha. This is open over here. Okay, so you have to choose the open one. Got my point, right? So yes, D is the right answer. Sankar, very good. Smita, welcome, bacha. Kavita, B. I hope you have made the same mistake of Kavita. Phoenix, D, right. Sanika, D, right. Sankar, GL, hi sir, hi bacha. Okay, hi Sankar. Let's start question number 4 now. Question number 4. Answer for question number 4. Who's giving me? Come on. Explain this question by one more example, sir. Which question, bacha? So yes, think about this. I am looking for what does this represents? This represents, sir, GIF, something called as greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. Okay, so if you take any number, okay, below 2, if I take 1.995, what is the answer going to be? 1 only, right? 1 only. Think about it. If I draw the graph of this, remember, if you remember the graph of this function, it used to look like this. We had a closed over here, open over here, closed over here, open over here. So if you put something, 1 point something, this is, sir, 1, this is 2. If you put 1 point something, it will become equal to 1 only, right? But if you actually put 2, it will become, sir, 2, na? Right? It will become 2. From the graph, I hope you can see that. So I hope this is clear, Sankar. Chaliye, done. Moving to question number 4 now. Guys, I'm sorry, but a lot of students are waiting for the questions, so I have to stick to the questions answer right now. I will take your general questions at the end. Forgive me for that. Okay, let me take the questions right now because students are waiting. It's unfair to them. Question number 4. All right, so the value of cot inverse, please check. Who's giving me the answer for this one? Cot inverse, come on. So I want all 4 or 5 of you who are giving answers. Others are not giving. I don't like that. I want answers from all of you. Question number 4. Cot inverse of this, how will you solve it, bacha? Remember, 1 minus sin x, we will write like this, sir. Cos square x by 2 minus, plus sin square x by 2, and this is for 1, okay? And for minus sign, I'll write minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Correct, na? So I can write this as a square b square minus 2ab. A square b square minus 2ab. So cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, the whole square I have over here. Alright. B. Okay. I'm getting the answers over here. I'll cross check. I think B is incorrect, bacha. So yes, Srinivas has given B. Geeta has given C. C is right. So all of you have given the answer as C is correct. So only Geeta, Anjanaya, and that's all. Others B and D was bacha incorrect. Please check. So this is it for this 1 minus sin x. If I apply root on this, you'll have root on this. So it'll give me, please check, cos of x by 2 minus sin of x by 2. Okay. And this is for this part exactly. So if you write root of 1 plus sin x, now you'll have same thing with the plus sign. Cos of x by 2 plus sin of x by 2. Please check. Okay, now if you apply this condition, have a look, you'll have cot inverse. You want to get what are you going to get for numerator? 1 minus sin, right? So I'm going to use this part. So cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, and I have this plus this, right? Please check, this plus this. If you add them, sin will be cancelled. So you have only 2 cos x by 2. I'm doing it directly, okay? Please check. Adding the 2 roots. This first root is over here, second root is over here. Add them. You get cos, and cos is 2 cos, and sin is plus and minus. Gets cancelled. Okay? So you get 2 cos. Now below you're getting subtraction of these two. This minus this. This minus this. It means cos minus cos. Cancelled. Minus sin. So minus 2 sin. I'll repeat myself, I hope, for the last part. Cos minus cos is cancelled. Why minus, sir? Because check here, this minus this root minus this root. Okay, so cos minus cos is cancelled. Minus sin becomes minus 2 sin. So get 2 and 2 cancelled. You have cot inverse of cot x by 2, but there is a minus sign. Formula is there, pi minus cot inverse of cot x by 2, answer will be pi minus x by 2. So option C is correct. Please check. Yes. Now I can see answer is coming as option number C. Have a look. Fourth is done. Fourth option C is correct. Okay. So I hope this is clear, everyone. Yeah. Fifth now. Question number 5th. Please check. I hope this was visible. Na? Just take a second if you want to take a screenshot or something. 5th one. Okay. If a equal to 1011, a power n plus ni equals to what? Chaliye. So please try from your side as well. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to try to get a head start, then I'll start solving it. Okay. So that you can give me answer before I solve. 5th question. Chaliye. So they are asking this condition, right? So basically we'll look for this part first, a power n first. I have told you guys in the sessions where I've taken this kind of questions. Remember, whenever you have a power n or a power 3, a power something, a power 2021, start from a square. First one will give you the trend actually. So start from a square, what you'll have? 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. Please check this. With this you're gonna multiply. 1 into 1 is 1, sir. 0 into 1 is 0, sir. So 1 plus 0. 1 into 0 is 0, sir. 0 into 1 is again 0, sir. Now second row, first column, 1 into 1 is 1, sir. 1 into 1 is 1, sir. So plus 1. 1 into 0 is 0, sir. And 1 into 1 is 1, sir. What I get from here? I get this value as 1021. 1021. 1021. This is for a square. You can check from here only. This is a shortcut, bacha. What are you going to get for a n? Please check. Directly after writing a square, this is a shortcut. You'll get answer as 10 and 1. 10 and 1. When it was 2, this was 2. When it is n, this is n. You have to do this much step, bacha. This you have to be done. Okay. Chaliye. So once you get an, you need ni. What is ni, sir? So right here ni will be like this. I can write here ni on this side plus ni, and ni means multiplying n with the entity matrix. So right here n into 1 is n. We have 0 over here, 0 n. Correct now. Entity matrix means the diagonal is 1, rest all is 0. So 1 1 was over here. So n into 1 is n. Same thing over here. Add it now. So for this you're gonna get n plus 1. We get 0. We get n plus 0 one more time n, and 1 plus n one more time. Check this out. Now if I take entity matrix out from here, can I do that? Please check. I can take it out, right? If I take entity matrix out from here, what I get? So I'll leave entity matrix means bacha. Entity matrix mean 1 0 0 1. So basically I'm asking you to take n part common. Take n part common. So basically I'm gonna separate this into two matrices. N part separate n0 n n. N0 n n. What is left now? Please check what is missing in this matrix. 1 was here, 0 was here, 0 was here, 1 was here. Yes or no? Please check. N plus 1 is n, right? N plus 0 is n, n plus 1 is n, and 0 plus 0 is 0. If you're thinking that, sir, why did we do the same step? It's not the same step, bacha. Please check. These two steps and these two steps are different. This step over here and this step is different. Okay? So I have n 0, n, and 1 0 0 1. Please check the last step we have. So ni plus a power n will become equal to, this is nothing but I can take n common, right? So I have 1 0 1 1 plus this simply I of the order 2. What I get? What is this, sir? Same as a. So na plus I. Na plus I, option C is correct. Fifth one, option C is correct. I can see a lot of answers now. Fifth one, yes, everyone, proud of all of you. Very good. It's not an easy question. Okay, it's you have to use some brain into it. Okay, but yes, all of you got it right. I can see your names. Okay, so I can see Phoenix has got right. Shakshit is there, and Sanika is there. Bhagyashri is there. Manjula is there. Shankar. All of you have got this answer right for the question number 5. I'll move on to question number 6 now, with your permission, sir. Yes. Question number 6. Yes. Chaliye. Let's move on to question number 6. Excellent question. I'll tell you why. Because when I was a student, I used to get scared. Whenever I used to see this sign, no, means sir, it will be lengthy, some trick will be there, but if you know simple things, you'll get this answer right. Whenever you see in an exam, if you are somebody who's getting scared of binomial questions or series questions, don't worry, they actually are very simple once you get the trick right. Okay, so what is the trick in this question? Very simple, just expand few terms. That is the trick of any expansion questions. Just write first 3-4 terms, that is all. That will not be difficult. Please check. If I write for this term b, my answer will come from here only. Summation, right? From 1 to n. What is the difficult thing to do? Write r as 1, r as 2, r as 3. When you write r as 1, you get 2r minus 1 becomes 1, sir. R as 1 means 2 into 1 minus 1 is 1. So 1 is there, and I have a, same thing, 1 will come, and power also is 1. a1 power 1. Okay. Now, as I said, write r as 1, 2, 3. Put here r as 2. So you'll have this value as, please check. You'll have this value as 2 into 2 is 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3, a3, 3. Difficult? Of course not. Same value, no. 2r minus 1, 2r minus 1, 2r minus 1. So it will become 3. So a3, a3. Same goes over here. Plus 5 will come next, right? 5, a3, sorry, a5, power 5, and so on. That's all is required. Now think about it. They're saying that these are all skew-symmetric matrices. It means a1 transpose is nothing but minus a1. A2, sorry, we have a3 transpose is nothing but minus a3, right? Like that. So on. So if I take transpose of b from here, please check. Transpose of b, what I'm going to get? This whole brackets transpose. So I get for the individual terms 1a1 transpose, of course, power 1 plus 3a3 transpose power 3, 5a5 transpose power 5. I think from here only you can see the answer, right? Will be simply, you'll have a minus sign over here, you'll have a minus sign over here. Please check. 1 second. They're all minus a1, right? Minus a1, a3 like that. You'll have a minus sign over here, so it'll become minus a1. Right, you'll have minus 3a3 power 3. Same way you'll have minus 5a5 power 5. You take minus sign common, you get simply minus b. So you're getting b transpose as simply minus b, sir. Hence answer is option B. Simple. 6th. Yes, I can see the answers already. Okay, so I can see a lot of there have already given me the answers. Okay, Phoenix has given, but a lot of different answers are there. C, A, B, why bacha? Okay, chaliye. It was not a difficult question, it was an easy question, but you have to just understand the writing the first 3 terms. I'm not telling you what, if you are not sure, let's say you don't want to attempt this question in the examination, leave it, it's okay. But when you are coming back to the question after solving all the other questions, please write 3 steps, write 3 terms in the expansion. If you can get the trend from there, solve the question, otherwise leave it. Okay, chaliye. 6th is done, 7th one. Okay, 7th one now. What is there? So what is the answer? B was the answer, correct? Okay, 7th one. Who's giving me the answer for the 7th one? This can be given directly also, sir. Please check. If you want, pi is there, no extends to pi. Negative will become, sir. It will be in terms of cos only. You'll have minus sign, cos of minus pi. So only one is there minus pi. So option will be A. That's a luck actually. This is, if you solve this kind of question, you get the answer directly A. But not always. We can solve it. Why we can solve it, sir? Because you can check here. This column has 2 elements 0. So I can find the determinant across the first column. Okay. So cos x times of, check here, 2 into 2. So 4 cos square x minus 3. Let's solve this as 0 plus 0. How come, sir? Second and third element is 0 in the first column. Okay. Great. Answer is A. Correct. All of you got the right answer. Answer is A. Okay. Okay. So what we can see from here? Put here the value. No. Put here this cos of this value. You get here minus 1 times of 4 into plus 1, because cos square is there. So plus 1 minus 3. What I get for this? I get minus. Sorry. Something is wrong. Okay, no, I got it wrong. It will become minus 3 cos x, so we'll have minus 1 over here. I have to multiply cos x over this side, right? It will become minus 3 cos x. So again, we'll have minus sign over here. So plus 3, answer will be minus 1. Option A is correct. 7th is done. Okay, so let's move on now to question number, what we have? Question number 8th, right? I hope you're liking the questions, right? Fun questions, little challenging, some one level up from what we are used to. Okay, chali. So Asmita, very good bacha. Ashmita, Bhumika, Phoenix, Akash, Anjanya. Okay, yes. So JE student already have given the right answers. 8th, please check. Who's solving question number 8 for me? Come on, come on, come on. Question number 8. So of course we need to find the value of Q first. See, application of determinant in the derivatives. That's the KCET problems. Okay. So this is called as KCET ready problems. This is called as ready for KCET, sir. Okay, chali. Let's solve this. Answer is C. Yes. Answer is C. Looks like it. I have to check it. Okay, I'm not sure. I have to check this answer. Okay. Sankar is saying B. Either B or C. Either B or C. Okay. We'll check that right now. So we'll get Q as, have a look. I get x times of x square minus 1. I'm doing across the first row. For this one, I'll have minus 1 times of, please check, 1. So x minus 1, and plus 1 times of what I have. I have plus 1 times of 1 minus x. So expand it now. So I'm getting over here x cube minus x plus 1 minus x, giving me the value of this as x cube minus 3x plus 2. This is your Q value. I'm looking for the derivative, right? Apply the derivative. We get this value as 3x square minus 3. This will be 0, right? Take 3 common, you get x square minus 1. I want this in terms of p, right? So find the p value. Okay, p is nothing but, please check, p is nothing but, 1 second, I wrote it a little bit. Okay, p will be, sir, x square minus 1. So we can replace this by 3p. Option number B is correct. So I think one of you got the right answer. Yeah. So Manjula, Shankar, Ashu, everyone has got the right answer. First one to give the right answer was Shankar. Shankar gave me the right answer. B. Correct. First right answer was given by Shankar. Good, Shankar. Very good. Very, very good, bacha. It's not a difficult problem, but it is good level of question. You can see, no, whenever you see multiple concepts coming in one problem, that's a good question. Means can be asked in the examination. Okay. So basically, I'm asking you guys, whenever you're learning a concept, no, understand there can be a bridge of one concept to the other concept, especially in determinants, matrices, okay, in trigonometry, in binomial theorems. This kind of question can be clubbed together. Sequence and series also can be clubbed together. Okay, chaliye. So moving on now, question number 9. Let's see. Tan inverse of sin x plus cos x. Please check. Again, you have an application of trigonometry, ITF in derivatives. Okay, chaliye. What is the answer, bacha? What is the answer, sir, over here? Question number 9th answer. I think all of you can give me the answer. By looking at this question, I can say the answer. Please check. I can divide by cos, you'll get in terms of tan. Something will come. You'll have tan x, right? Derivative will be what, bacha? Tan inverse of tan, right? It will become simply x. Answer will be D. Answer will be D. I can see from here. Actually, this question becomes tricky. There's only two options over here. Either D or B. Either D or B. Why B can be there? If you have to make sin x by 2, cos x by 2. But that is there in the case of roots. We don't have roots over here, do we? No. So that's why plus x will come, and you differentiate x will become 1. Let me solve it. Yes. So should I solve it or should I not solve it? If you everyone got the right answer, should I skip this question? Okay. Should I skip this question? 9th one? Or are you giving me the answer by looking at my answers? Should I skip it? All of you? Can I skip this question? Answer me, come on. Solve. Selvi is saying solve. I'll solve it. Don't worry. Yes, sir, I'll solve it. So basically what I can see here, tan inverse is there, means I have to divide by cos. Because I want in terms of tan only, right? Because then only we can tan inverse of tan will become cancelled, or you have the operation inverse. So please check, I can divide by this. So we'll have y equal to tan inverse of sin by cos will become tan x plus will become 1, dividing both by cos. Sin by cos is tan, cos by cos is 1. Same way, cos by cos is 1, sin by cos is tan. This is simple, right? There's a formula for this. Have a look. Tan x plus tan pi by 4. 1 is nothing but tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4. I can multiply over here also as 1, no? Because tan x is there. Into 1 will also be there. I can write this also as tan pi by 4. It will become, sir, tan x plus pi by 4. Please check. Tan inverse of tan will become, bacha, simply the angle itself, x plus pi by 4. This is my y. Derivative will become, please check, 1 plus 0. Answer is D. Answer is C. Okay. Alright, yeah. So, but Salvi was asking me to solve, so I solved it anyway. Asmita was asking me to solve, so I solved it. Okay. Bhumika was also asking me to solve, I solved it. I don't want to disregard anyone's. Okay. Whoever are saying no, I did not take that much of time. Just a minute. Done. Next question we can solve. 10th one. Chaliye. If fx equals to cos of x, this question, bacha, do one thing, draw the curve. That's your trick. Okay, Prajwal. Cos x curve will be like this. Sin x curve will be like this. Pi by 6. Pi by 6 is what, bacha? Pi by 6 means 30 degree. Cos 30 is what, sir? Root 3 by 2. Somewhere over here. This is your pi by 6 value. Because they meet at pi by 4, na? This is value at pi by 4. So pi by 6 is before pi by 4. All of you agree, right? Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So they are same at the angle pi by 4. Pi by 6 is before that. Correct? Pi by 6 is smaller than pi by 4, of course, right? So this is before that. So before that you can see this is nothing but cos function. This is nothing but sine function. Means for x value, sir, less than pi by 6, na? What I'm getting, bacha? I'm getting cos x is more than sin x. How come we can say that? Please check the graph of cos is above the sin x. Graph of cos is above the sin x. Okay, it means positive. So this value cos minus sin will be more than 0, sir. It means if you apply modulus to this, it will remain as it is. So basically my function fx is going to be cos x minus sin x. Derivative you can take now. F dash of x will become minus cos x and it will become simply, sorry, derivative, right? Excuse me, minus sin x. No, I made a mistake, bacha. So minus sin x and you have simply cos x. Okay, I can put the values now. Pi by 6, f dash of pi by 6 will become minus, what is it going to be? 30, right? So minus 1 by 2 and cos 30 becomes root 3 by 2. Take minus 1 by 2 common, you get 1 plus root 3. Answer will be, okay, option A. Okay, option A. Chaliye. Yes, few have got C also, but this will be plus. I hope you got it wrong because of the not clearly seeing it. This is minus, bacha, over here. If you take minus sign common, it will become plus. No, that's why. Okay, please check the derivative. If you are asking me, sir, why did you do all this step? Why is it required? Because in the exam they might give ulta. What are you gonna do then? If in the examination they give you sin x minus cos x, sir, in the modulus, then the question will change, sir. Then you have to take open with a minus sign. Understand this? Because in this condition at pi by 6 the value will be sin x is less, right? So sin x minus cos x will be negative. So you have to open with a minus sign to make it positive. Getting my point? So this is again will give you similar result, but if you have a different question like this coming your way, you should know the conditions. Okay? If there's a value given, you have to check the which value is more. Whenever you see the mod, understand the sign of the function, whether it is plus or minus. If plus, then remain as it is. Minus, then you have to change the sign. Okay, please check. 10th is done. All of you agree? Having fun in the questions? Okay. Okay, I know I take a little longer to solve a question, but that's my way. Okay, I want to give all the information possible. 10th is done. 11th one now. Let's start, bacha. This is again extra information. Okay, this is extra information, not part of the solution. 11th. Okay. Great, I can see now answers coming. Correct, D also was right. Who gave me D? Somebody gave me D. Who is having a, why D? Why D? Ashmita, why D? Why KVM gaming D? Akash is giving me C. Bhumika, all of them have given me correct. Purnima given me C. Why, bacha? Some mistake? Some problem? Did you get it now? Is it clear now after explaining it? No problem, right? Okay. So let me know if you're having a doubt. I'll explain it. Doesn't matter. Okay. If you're getting stuck, I'll explain it. I will not move on. Okay. I'll take a little bit of time of others to explain you. Question number 11 now. Okay. So 11, I already got some answers. I think D is one of the answer has been given by Geeta. Okay. D is not right. I think, bacha. This question will be, I think this, no? Yeah. Check here. Base is 2. Answer will be, sir, C. That's how you check it. Because you're going to take 2 power x over here as the substitution. 2 power x you're going to take as t. So if you differentiate this, no, somehow you'll get log of 2 only. That's correct. Actually, everything has log of 2, no? Then you can't actually predict from here. Sorry. I know the answer because I've solved it so many times, but you have to, you cannot take this answer right now. After some steps, you can get the answer. Sorry. I thought other was having different logs. But yes, they also log 2, log 2, log 2. It means you can't take the answer right away. I have to give you some steps. Chaliye. So how do you solve it, sir? Y equals to, we have, please check, y equals to, we have sine inverse of t, 2t, right? Correct now? 2t is there plus t square. If you ask me how, please check. 2 power x plus 1 can be written as 2 power x into 2 t. This is going to be t, right? So 2t, correct? And 4 power x bacha becomes 2 power x the square. So it is going to be t square. This is clear? That's how I wrote 2 power x plus 1 as 2t and 4 power x as t square. This is clear? Okay, this is the formula for this. Sine inverse of this will become a sine. Please check. Oh, no, something is wrong. Yes, I have taken it as t, right? It should become tan t actually. Yeah, forgive me. It should be tan t. Yeah, that will be same only, but correct. I have to change that out. There's a mistake in the substitution, sir. Sorry, sir. I did not see it. It should be tan t, okay? Yeah. Because I want sine 2t formula, no? It will become tan t actually. So you'll have over here 2 tan 2t, basically 2 tan t. And over here you have tan square, okay? It will be tan square, okay? Tan square t. So you're going to get this value as sine 2t. So it will become what? Please check. It will become 2t, right? Sine inverse of tan will be 2t. Okay, from here you can get tan inverse of t is nothing but tan inverse of 2 power x. 2 power x. I hope this is right, no? Everyone? Yeah. So 2 times of tan inverse of 2 power x. We have y over here. I'm looking for derivative, right? So apply derivative. We get y dash equals to, please check. This will be as it is. Differentiate this. You're going to get 1 plus whatever is over here, square of that. So 2 power x the square. Correct? And if you differentiate 2 power x also from the chain rule, first derivative of tan inverse is this, then chain rule for 2 power x. You're going to get what, bacha? 2 power x times of ln 2. Okay, this is your derivative. So I write this y dash at the value 0. They're asking at 0 only. So we'll have this value as 2 into 2 power 0 divided by 1 plus 2 power 0 the square. We have ln 2. This is going to be, sir, please check here. 1 only, na? So we'll have 2 by 1 plus 1. Yes. Answer will be, this cancelled, ln 2 is the answer. So this is clear, right? Everyone? I hope one mistake I made over here. The approach to the question will be same actually, but I did not see the sine inverse. So I have to change that to tan t, because the formula is 2 tan t upon 1 plus tan, 1 minus tan square t. Sorry, 1 plus tan square t becomes equal to sine 2t. That's the relation of sine and tan. Okay, chaliye. So please check. 11th is done, I think. Question number 12 now. Very good, Nick. 12th one. So I can see answers are coming right now. So please, I know I'm going a little faster. I cannot give a lot of time for you to solve, because otherwise, others will be bored. Sir, you're taking too long of time to solve a question. That's why I'm going a little faster. Question number 12 is all the way for you. Solve this question. 12th one. I want answers from all of you. A. Yes. It's a PYQ, right? I think it's a PYQ. Yeah. It's a PYQ. Okay. So yes, you got all of them, got the answer right. Geeta also good. Very good, bacha. Divide by this thing. Okay. Achha, next step, what I'm going to do now for the next question. Whenever you guys give me the answer, and if it is right, I'll ask you what is the first step. Okay. So please check from here. You get 2 of power x minus this thing. You'll have x minus y. Okay, and you have plus 2 power y minus x minus y equals to 1. So I'm getting over here 2 power minus y plus 2 power minus x equals to 1 plus 1. Of course, derivative we need. Derivative will become same thing, 2 power minus y. you have to do for minus y. Of course, you'll have ln 2. You have to do for minus y. It becomes a minus sign will be there. So minus sign over here, and you'll have dy by dx. Okay. Same approach for this part. You'll have plus sign 2 power minus x will remain as it is. Ln 2 will come. Okay. And you'll have for minus x as simply minus 1 equals to 0. 1 will be a constant, so 0. Okay. Now check this out. I can take something common right over here. What I can take common, sir? I can take minus ln 2 common, right? So I have here 2 power minus y dy by dx. Okay. And over here I have, please check, plus 2 power minus x equals to 0. This is a constant, can be taken on this side, will be simply 0. So what I get, bacha? I get 2 power minus y dy by dx equals to minus 2 power minus x. Okay. I can move this on this side. I'll have dy by dx as minus 2 minus x upon 2 power minus y. It'll go up, becomes plus. You'll have minus 2 minus x plus y, basically minus 2 y minus x. Option is this. 12th is done. Sir, y ln. Okay. I have a question from Gayatri. Sir, y ln. Bacha, if you are taking derivative of this, remember a power x derivative. Okay. You get this answer as a power x as it is and ln of a. Ln of a. Yes, there is a difference. If you are actually, please check the difference is, if this base a becomes e, if this base a becomes e, natural value, it becomes simply e power x. There is no ln. Why, sir? Because ln of e will become simply 1. Correct, na? If you take ln with the same thing, it will become 1. So, Gayatri, I hope this is clear. Sir, can you explain ln part? I explained, Chandana. Please check. Kavita, Bindu has given me B answer. Bacha, that is wrong. Please check, Bindu. So, everyone else has given me the answer A only. Please check. I think Chandana and Gayatri, is the answer right? Is the explanation enough? Please check. This is extra part actually, bacha. Is this clear? Chandana? Okay. I'll move on to next question. 13th one. Okay. 13th one. Yes, KVM is correct. 13th one. This is a PYQ and yes, of course, you know the answer. But if you tell me the answer, I'll ask you how you have done it. So tell me. So, yes. Sir, doubt. Yes, Ishita, what is the doubt? Ishita, what is the doubt? Okay. So, x e power y equals to e power x. Who's solving this question? D. Yes, I know. Answer will come from all of you. Array, I have taken this option same, no? But this is same option, sorry. So I have made this mistake. Please change this. I'm taking D as the right option over here. I think it was without the square, okay? Actually, this is without the square. Then it'll be wrong, okay? Typing mistake from my side, please avoid. Yes, you said to the power x ln a. Okay, the previous one you're saying, Ishita. Okay, guys, please try this out and give me the answer. I'll take the Ishita's doubt. What is there? Sir, we can get marks, tricks. Can you please say? Can you mix marks by tricks? Which actually I'm telling you very unfortunate. Tricks in mathematics for KCET is applicable after a couple of steps. Okay, there's no standard tricks book. If there was, then don't you think we'll have the tricks book available for all of us? So there's no standard trick books. But yes, after solving 1 or 2 steps of a question, tricks can be used. So I'm giving you guys whenever is available in the question. That after 2 steps, how can you get the answer? Okay, after 1 step, how can you get the answer? Okay, so for some questions is there, some questions is not there. And tricks, whether is the, if your answer is right, you get the marks. Okay, doesn't matter whether you solve with a trick or not. Only thing matters is your answer should be right, you get the full marks. Okay. Sir, first step, apply log on both sides. Yes. Phoenix is right. Okay. To the power, Ishita, a to the power x ln a. Ishita is saying a power. Yeah, I'll solve this. Psycho, don't worry. So, psycho editor, but you can write your own name. No, why this weird name? See, psycho means negative things, okay? I'll solve this psycho, okay? Editor sahab, okay, I'll solve this question. Apply in both sides. Yes, KVM, right answer. I want to get the Ishita's question. A to the power x ln a equals to x ln a is right, sir? This one you're saying, no? But if you differentiate a power x, right, it will become a power x ln of, yeah, sorry. I wrote 2 there, no? My mistake, bacha. I was used to this question, I think that's why I wrote this 2. Yes, you are right, Ishita, this should be ln a. Okay? Yes. Thank you for pointing it out, Ishita. Yes. Okay. Correct. You're right. I made a mistake. Sorry, bacha. Okay. Let's solve this question. So somebody has given me already a hint. So thank you for all of that. I can apply log. Log means y will come in front. So I'll have y ln xe. Okay. Plus same way I have x ln e, because that's the whole point. No, this power will come in front of the log as the coefficient. That's why we have taken the log part. X ln e is just simply going to be 1. Simply going to be 1. ln is 1, sir. Apply this constant over here. I can differentiate. It will become, first I'll do this part. dy by dx will become like this. So y derivative is this. I'll keep ln xe as it is. Next I'll have, please check, plus sign will be there, keeping y as it is, ln of xe, right? So I'll have this value of this as, please check. So ln of xe bacha will become ln of x plus ln of e, right? So will be ln x plus 1. So it will be simply x. Correct, no? Think about it. ln of x plus ln e. So I'll have this as ln x plus 1. Okay, derivative will become 1 by x plus 0. That's why only 1 by x. Only 1 by x. Okay. So this will be equal to x, right? This will be equal to x. No, not x. Sorry, 1. Derivative I'm taking, no? Mistakes I'm making today. Sorry, guys. 1. Derivative of x is 1 for this part. Okay. Chali. So let's use this. We have dy by dx ln xe equals to 1 minus y by x. 1 minus y by x. Great. Now we have to find the value of y by x. From here we can find, no? From where you can find? Please check from this step. I can get this value as, I'll move this on that side. So I get y by x equals to, please check, 1 upon ln xe. How much is that? Simply bacha 1 upon ln x plus 1. ln x plus 1. Okay. Or same thing I can write over here, not a problem. So I get 1 minus yx as 1 upon ln x plus 1. Okay. I think you can get the steps from here. Yeah. Chaliye. So what I'm getting over here, ln x plus 1 minus 1 will become simply 1, right? Sorry, ln x, right? If you take the LCM, bacha, you'll have LCM as ln x plus 1. You'll have ln x plus 1 minus 1. This will be cancelled. Okay. And this side I have, please check, dy by dx ln x plus 1 only, right? This is same thing as ln x plus 1. So what I'm getting over here, ln x divided by this, and this thing again will come over here, so whole square. So option D is correct. I'll repeat myself. This I have only ln x, okay, and this divided by ln x plus 1. So I get this into this, so whole square. Answer will be log by log. Please check. So now I have a lot of doubts. Please check. Sir, is there any difference between natural logarithm and log? Yes, there's a difference, bacha. Log can have any base. Okay, it can usually has base with the 10. Natural log has a base of e. So if you write actually log e to the base 10, it is not equal to 1. If you write log of e to the base e equals to 1. Okay, so basically log of e means ln. This means ln e. That's the difference. Okay, so if you actually see this over here, they have taken, that's understood part. Okay, because this is the question from the PYQ, so they have actually taken like this only. Because think about it, otherwise how can log e be equal to 1? Can it be? No. Log e cannot be 1 if it is base is not e. The base is e means it becomes natural log. Please check. That is clear. But if I use log, I can do that. No, just change it. Get the answer all of it and make it as log. Okay, I'm not using because it's actually not standard. This is the right way actually. Because if you write log, no, I have to write log with the base e. Log with the base e. Okay, so sir, but in our college they use log and they tell log e is 1, because that's the understanding I told you, right? I'll tell you. But the log property is, remember all the property you've learnt in log, right? I think in PU1 or maybe in 10th grade. Log of a to the base a is 1, right? So if you take log e to base e to base e, it will become 1. Otherwise it will not be 1, na? Got my point, right? Chaliye. So I think this is clear. Let's move on now. Okay, 13th is done. Answer is D. Somebody asked me to solve it. I solved it. 14th now. Okay. 14th question. It's a good question. AOD question, sir. AOD. Apply this question. Okay, sir. Okay, Kavita. KVM, sir. B use log properties in board exams. Works? No. I'm telling you guys. So basically, bacha, they also understand that it's going to be same meaning. Okay, they're writing log only, right? But they also mean log with the base e only. But they should write, if you're writing log, actually if you see the examination and paper, no, when you just write log, actually meaning is base is 10. Usually when the log is written, if there's no base written, no, ask anyone. If there's no base written means understood that base is 10 actually. Okay, but right now in these questions in the reference, they're expecting it to be e only, writing this as simply log. Simply log. Okay, not a problem. You can write log also. Not you can see this is a PYQ. Check your PYQ. It's the same way they've written. So log they've written, write log, not a problem. I don't want you to follow my way. Follow your board's way. That is the best one. Okay, so write log, not a problem. Okay, but I just gave you explanation because I want you to be able to understand the concept. Okay, chaliye. So let's move on now. Who's solving this question number 14 for me? 14th, who's solving for me? Yeah, okay, Nick, I left it. Nick is frustrated. Sir, you take too much time in talking. Sorry, Nick. Sir, KCET important chapter. PU2 chapters are very important. And if you ask me PU1, please do trigonometry from there, relation and function sets from there, probability. Then you can do 3D, you can do simple chapter, one question can come. Apart from that, I would say sequence and series you can do. The one question comes on this one. S infinity, the question comes from S infinity of GP, so one question can come from there. So you can do sequences and series. So 6-7 chapters are there. That is very good. Okay, this is clear. Okay, so this is a PYQ that I don't remember. Achha. I don't remember this. It's a PYQ or not? Maybe, but it's a good. I like this question. Okay, so I've taken from one. So we have some manuals. So we have taken some from the manual. Okay, chaliye. KVM gaming. So solve it. I'll solve it, Bindu. I'll solve it. Don't worry. I'll solve it. Have I left any question, Bindu? Don't you trust me? I'll not leave anything. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Aditya. Yes, bacha, it's necessary. Okay, because I'm telling you why. Because it is easier. Okay. If you can't do a lot, no, just go through the basic understanding of the NCERT and solve PYQs at least. If you do that, that will be enough. So I'm gonna do that. Don't worry. I think from tomorrow I'll be doing questions on PU1 as well. Top 30 I'm doing, right. In that I'll do questions on PU1 as well. Okay. So don't worry. You can just follow the sessions and you'll get to know whatever questions are coming. I'll not skip any question. Okay. I'll solve all the PYQs in the top 30. So please go ahead and check it out. Okay. Don't skip, Shakshit. If you don't have time only, then you can skip. But if you can, if you have some time, please study it. Because PU2 questions sometimes will be difficult, but PU1 will be very easier. So why to skip it, bacha? 1 mark you can get by putting some effort, then get that, no? Okay. Every marks matters in the case of, competitive examination. Rank will be much differ if you lose 1 mark also. Okay. So it's very important to value that. Question number 14, answer I've got already as C. Yes. C is wrong, bacha. Answer is D. C is wrong. All of you is giving me C as the answer. Yeah, but Psycho has given me D. How can I give me two answers? Give me one answer. No, C is. Yes, Teju. Sorry. Guys, you guys get angry at me. Okay, fine. It's okay. I apologize. I'll start solving the question. A particle moves along the curve x squared by 16, x squared by y squared by 4. Okay. Abscissa change means change in x. Change in x, basically dx by dt. Is 4 times ordinate change, so dy by dt. Okay, that's the information given to us, and they're saying that particle moves along this curve. Okay, chaliye. They're saying that when the rate is according to this, where is the particle lying? They're saying that when the rate is according to this condition, where is the particle lying? So we'll get to find the condition. Okay, so we have to check here. We get 2x, 16 is there the constant. We'll have dx by dt plus 2y, of course 4 is a constant, and we have dy by dt, right? Please check is equals to 0. We get what I have, this value I can replace by this condition. So I get of course 8 is left, I have x times of, one second, I have x times of dy by dt, and into 4 is there, divided by 8 plus 2 and 2 is cancelled. I get y by 2, please check, dy by dt. Okay, so I can see from here 4 2s are 8, one more time. Okay, what is common, sir? I can see dy by dt, 1 by 2 is common. I get here x plus y equals to 0. I'm looking for the condition on the curve, right? So I have to apply this condition. This will not be 0, okay? We get x plus y equal to 0. From here I get y equal to minus x. The curve, you remember, straight line, first thing you learned, simplest curve ever, y equal to x and y equal to minus x. We'll pass from the origin actually. Let's change that. So quadrant number 2 and 4. Option D is correct. 14th option D is correct. Makes sense? D is right. Sir, how many marks will come from complex number? But a lot, actually, maximum 1 mark. Yeah, maximum 1 mark. I think if you check the previous 10 years questions, I think total of 9 questions has been asked in previous 10 years questions. Okay, so I've checked that out. Okay, so also I have JE on 7th, but my main focus is KCET. Daily, how much time should I spend on maths? It takes little more time. Let's say whatever is your time, no, total time to study for KCET, you have to give almost 40% of time for the mathematics. Other thing you have to compromise there. 40% to 45% of time to maths. You have to give that. Okay. Sir, also I have, okay, Shita, I have cleared that. You can spend total of 7 hours studying, but take too much time in maths, around 3 and 2 hours for 40 questions. That is a lot, bacha. That is a lot. Okay. Please check that you are why you're making those mistakes. You have to cover up that. I'll talk about these questions later. Sir, वैसे आप कहाँ से हो? I am from Bihar, बच्चा actually, Patna. My hometown is Patna. I've been in Bangalore for a few years now. Studied from Bangalore President College. Now I'm teaching all of you guys. Sir, I didn't understand. Which part didn't understand? Malar, please check. So, bachcha, they're asking for when the curve has this condition verified. What condition is that? Abscissa change is 4 times change of ordinate, means when x changes 4 times the change of y. Okay, so when this condition is verified, so we'll look for the condition. How do you get that? By using the derivative. By using the derivative. Once you do that, please check. So you get a relation in dx and dy. You apply the dx change with dt with respect to dy change with the dt, and simplification will lead you to this y plus x as 0. Y plus x as 0 is a curve, right? Y equal to minus x. Okay, this will not be 0. It's a constant. It's a derivative. Okay, so this will be a value. Please check. Y equal to minus x, where it lies in the second and fourth quadrant. Any point you check, every point, every instant, every point is a instance. Every point is a instance. Okay, so particle will lie on every instance in this second and fourth quadrant only. That's the answer, second and fourth. Is this clear? Okay. Okay, so I can see some more questions are there. How many years question paper should be practiced in the PYQs for set KCET? But the last 10 is going to be good enough. Don't need to do more than that. Last 10 is good enough. Okay. Ashmita's gallery, sir, can you make video for physics also, because your explanation is very good. But sir is giving, that is very, sir is putting a lot of effort, giving so much, effort into that to deliver all the things that you need, better than me actually. So please follow his session. You'll get everything that you need in the physics session. Okay, chali. So I'm here for only mathematics. Okay, KVM is saying is dy by dx for constant is constant or 0. dy by dx is a constant. Where is dy by dx over here? There's no dy by dx over here. dt is the change, time change, no rate of change, no. They're talking about rate of change. Rate means with time. With time, okay? Please check KVM. Hi sir, hi Dana. Sir, following PYQs of 10 years is enough for, right? Yeah, 10 years is enough, Teja. Okay? Teju, okay. Sir, also while solving papers from each year's, okay. Can I solve the questions now, guys? There are a lot of students waiting. I need to solve the questions. I'll take your questions at the last. Your generic questions I'll take at the last. I've taken already too many. Let's move on to question number 15 now. Okay, 15 now. 14th answer was D. 15th now. Come on. All my champions. Question number 15. Give me the right answer. Chaliye. Yes. Come on. 15th one. Ishita will talk about that. Just give me some time. Let me complete the questions. We don't have many left. I think we have a total of 25 I've taken today. So I have only 15, 16 to go. 11 to go. Let me solve that and I'll get back to you. I'll not leave before I answer your queries. Okay. So 15th. Come on. Question number 15th. B is the answer. No, not B. They're saying an enemy fighter jet is flying along the curve. It's a parabola, right? Okay, soldier is placed at 3, 2. 3, 2. Some point, okay, it can be taken on this side also. If you want, you can take the curve like this also, like this also, like this also, your choice. Okay, I'm taken one of the choices, not a problem. Somebody is saying, thinking that way. If you know the curves, sir, the curve nature actually will be like this only. X square, no, symmetric about y axis. X square symmetric about y axis, sir. If somebody is there of my type of student, if I was just, in your class and learning from one of my teachers, I'll say, sir, why the curve is here, why not here? Because it is going to be a symmetric curve out of y axis. The curve will be like this. I'm talking about only this part. Parabola. Okay. So this is extra information. I know. This is extra information. Okay. But the curve is here. This is the point. That's the main point. Let's take any arbitrary point on this thing with what do you call coordinates x, y. Great. Okay. Let's find this distance. Let's call this to be PQ distance. Okay. P is here, Q here. So PQ will become, please check, root of x minus 3 the square plus y minus 2 the square. Okay, I can take whole square, so I'll have on this side, have a look, PQ square equals to, please check, sorry, I got a call. Yeah, so it becomes x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square. This makes sense. I'm going to take a variable for this. Let's call the variable to be, in this case x and y already I have. I'll take a variable t for this, variable t. Okay, and what I'm getting for this, please check. I'm getting this as, okay, I have this condition from here, y minus 2 equals to x square, right? Yeah, so I can write this as x minus 3 the whole square, please check, and you have x square the square, x square the square. So far I have the function t as function t. I have taken pq square as t. Why, sir? Because it will make my life easier. Okay. Okay, so I get x minus 3 the whole square plus x power 4 derivative now. Why derivative, bacha? You can ask me, why derivative, sir? Because we are looking for nearest distance. What it means? Minimum value, minimum value, minimum value, AOD, minimum value, AOD. Okay, sir. Apply this. 2x minus 3 will be 1 from the chain rule. I get here 4x cube. 4x cube. Okay, great. I can take 2 common. I'll have x minus 3 plus 2x cube equal to 0. Why I'm doing 0, sir? To find the critical point. Okay. So this will become 0 only. So I have 0 equals to x minus 3 plus 2x cube. Check. So we have to, I can, either do one thing from here. Whenever you take whenever you see this kind of, expressions, one way is to factorize it. It will take time. Use the brain. Hit and trial. Put x as 0. Will it work? X is 0. 0 will not work, because 0 will have, plus will be 0, will have answer as minus 3. So that value of x which will make it 0. That value of x which will make this expression 0. Take 0 is gone. Let's take 1. So we have 1 over here. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. It works. Please check. If you put x equals to 1, no, this will become 0. 1 minus 3 plus 2. So it will be 0. So x equals to 1 is correct. The critical point. Okay. Now that is there. So in this distance formula, we'll put x as 1. Where is it? Here. Please check. So I'll have this value t as, please check, this value pq square basically equals to what I have, 1 minus 3, no, so minus 2 the square plus, I have 1 square, so 1 power 4 actually. So I get 2 square plus 1, what I get, 5. This is my pq square. So my pq will become root 5. Answer is root 5. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. No, bacha. Even if they say maximum value, you have to find the derivative only. Understand? In the chapter of AOD, we had few concepts: increasing, decreasing function, maxima, minima, and rate of change. So whether in minima or maxima, we have to apply derivative only. Okay, this is clear. So basically, the critical value will lead you to derivative. Remember, we have to find the critical value, then check the second order derivative to get the sign. Sign positive means minima, negative means maxima. Getting my point? That trend. Okay, chaliye. So it takes longer time. Please, can you teach some short tricks, sir? But this is not a longer question. I have taken some time to explain you these things. It's a simple question only. From here only you can see the answer will be 1 actually. Please check. Derivative, sorry, from here you can check. It will be 1 only. Okay, minus 2 will become minus 2. So minus 2 into 2 will become plus minus 4. Plus 4 will be answer. In the x is from here only you can see x is minus 1. So x is plus 1. And put it back in the equation. So 1 step, and this is extra step I've written over here. 2 step, 3 step, 4 step answer. 4 step is the answer. This is directly you can get. That is okay. Okay. Chaliye, 35. So got it. Sahana, second PU results. When sir? I'm gonna beat you. Right now, questions time. Let's work on that. Okay, questions time. Solve it. We'll work on that later. Your job is to solve questions. You're just worrying about result. If the result is today, will it change something? Will it result is tomorrow? Will it change something? Let it come. Your preparation is very important. Focus on that, bacha. Focus on that. Okay. There's no official date coming right now. If it was, tell me if there was official announcement. Won't you know? Okay, there is no connection of mine in the board. Okay, I don't have any connections of sort. Even if they had, they'll not let me know, will they? They'll not let me know. Okay, so the date will be announced by the board. Once they are giving you the date, you will know the date. As simple as that. Question number 16 now, please check. Okay, 16, great KVM. 16. So I think C was right answer, right? Yes, Teju gave me the answer right. Kavita, I can see these students, Postin, Kavita, Ashu, Ishita, these people, Phoenix, are solving the questions with me. Suraj, even if they get the answer wrong, they're solving the questions with me. I want those type of students. Please solve all the questions with me. Come on, guys, and give me the answers. 16. The function fx increasing. See, KVM. And somebody was asking me about this, okay, Maxima question. Whenever you have this trend, derivative is the way to go. F dash of x. If you can do it faster, good for you. Please check. Actually, your question will come from here only. Check here, you're going to get this as, you'll have this condition as, please check, you'll have this condition as, 2x will become simply sir 2. You'll have this as 2 plus x. Okay, there's going to be a minus sign, then you're going to keep 2x as it is. Derivative of 2 plus x will become so simply 1 upon, you have 2 plus x the whole square. Okay, please check. So what I'm getting over here, 1 upon 1 plus x minus, but I get 4 plus 2x minus 2x upon 2 plus x square. Okay, 2 plus x square. This is cancelled. Now from here you can check. 1 plus x, 2 plus x, sorry, 2 plus x the whole. Okay, I made a mistake. Okay, over here as well. Great. So 2 plus x the whole square, right? I've taken this as simply x square. 2 plus x the whole square. Now check this out. You'll have 2 plus x the whole square minus 4 times of 1 plus x. Okay, if you want, actually you can see the trend from here only. Everything will come out as positive, only the condition will be 1 plus x, which will make the difference. Okay, you'll have the positive values on this side, only 1 plus x will make the difference. Check here. So 1 plus x should be positive. Why, sir? Increasing we are looking for. Increasing means derivative should be more than 0. Okay, in that case what are you going to get? X should be greater than minus 1. Answer should be minus 1 to infinity. That's your answer. How many steps? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's how I said 1 step and 2 steps can give you the final answer. But if you want to check, you can check from here. What you get? You get from this, you'll have, what are you going to have? You'll have 4 plus x square plus 4x minus 4 minus 4x. Please check. 1 plus x in the denominator with 2 plus x the whole square. 4 and 4 is cancelled, 4x cancelled, you get x square, which is positive value. This is also positive value, only sign will be depending upon 1 plus x. This is clear, guys? Yeah. So I can see, okay, when you're saying tomorrow is there, okay, then I'll do one thing, I'll cross check, okay? I'll just check your website and get back to you. I'll if there's a date like that tomorrow, I'll check your official website. They actually release that date is announced to be tomorrow. So we're gonna go today, and if there is, we'll let you know the first thing, okay? Don't worry. As soon as we get the information of result, our channel will give you an update on this. Okay, we'll make a video, we'll come live, we'll let you know. Okay, chali. 16 is done. Option B is correct. Sorry sir, because I did not see physics sir video, so asked you to explain. That's why I told you, no, sir explains very good. You can go and check his sessions. Awesome sessions, better than mine, much better than mine. Go ahead, learn physics from sir. Even whenever he teaches, no, in life, I also watch his because I like physics actually. I wanted to teach physics. It's difficult for me to teach physics actually. I tried teaching, I failed completely. I chose mathematics, my safe zone. Okay, I cannot teach physics. I'm not good at it. Sir is excellent at teaching physics, and he loves teaching physics. Okay, check his sessions. So 16th is done. 17th now. Please check. Great. So all of you gave me the right answer. B. I can see. Check. 17th. This is a simple question. Plus y is there. Move this y by x on this side. You get 1 by x on this side. Why y by x? Because I have y as the dependent variable. Okay, so same function has to be over here. For the p part in the LDE, you get y common. You get 1 minus 1 by x equals to 1 by x. Okay. Please check. So this is your value of p. This is your value of q. How do you solve it, sir? Of course, you're going to solve it like this. E power p integral with dx. You get e power 1 minus 1 by x integral with dx. So e power, I have x, and it will become minus ln x. I can check this out. So my integrating factor will be nothing but, you can see from here, e power x by e power ln x. How much is that? E power x by x. Option is C. Option is C. Okay, Seema, hi. Geeta, C is correct. Bindu, B, bacha, that's incorrect. Please check. Have a look. 17th, C is correct. Okay, Suraj, C is correct. Yes, ln and log has difference of E, natural log, correct. 17th is done. 18th, the value of this question. How do you solve it, sir? Very simple. Give me the answers, guys. For 18th problem, we'll have e power x as it is. I can divide this. Before that, I can take this tan inverse of part common. So I'll have tan inverse of x common. It will become x square plus nothing means 1, and of course plus 1 is there. I'll keep it as it is. Divided by whole thing by x square plus 1 I have, right? And of course dx is there. Now this step is enough to give me the answer. Please check. If you divide that, you get tan inverse of x. This will cancel and you have plus 1 upon x square plus 1. Check this out. This is your f of x. This is your f dash of x. Okay. Hence answer will be e power x f of x plus c e power x tan inverse of x plus c. Done. Yeah. So I can see some answers now. What happened? Ulhas is saying namaste Ulhash. Okay. C was, I don't know. C, Seema, please check. For this question or previous one, Srinix is saying B. B is not right, bacha. B is not right. Subramanya here much is saying A, that's correct. Seema, again A is correct. Yeah. Phoenix is now saying B is incorrect, bacha. Please check. A is right. Yeah. Great. Nice, Nick. Awesome, you got it right. A means awesome. Okay. Great. So 18th A is right. Chaliye. Yeah. 19th now. This question. How do you solve it? Please check. I can see I have to make use of some formula over here. Okay. Or simple, they've given the tan inverse is there in the answers. It means I have to make use of this formula, right? I have to make it in this form. 1 plus x square should come. Right, then only you can apply to tan inverse. Let's just do that. Okay. So, oh no, in this case we have to apply a square, right? A square plus x square. That formula has to be there. Sorry. So we can apply here, right? 1 as 1 upon this 1 as sin square plus cos square. Sin square plus cos square, right? So already have sin square over here. So it will become 4 sin square x plus. I took this 1 as cos square also, so I get plus 9 cos square x. We have dx over here. There is integration, of course. So I've taken 1 as sin square plus cos square and put 1 sin with the 3 sin square and 1 cos with 8 cos square. We get 9. Okay. Please check. I want a tan. Okay. I want only 1x. I have to divide by cos. Let's just do that. We have 1 upon. Why tan, sir? Because you can check here everywhere is tan only. It's tan only, right? You divide by cos. You get here 1 by cos square of x and over here you get 4 tan square x plus 9, correct? So it will become, so please check, sec square of x upon 4 tan square of x plus 9 dx. Now the fun part. Check here, whatever is the variable that has to be free from any any coefficients. It should be simply x square. Okay, we have 4 over here. I have to take the 4 common. So if I take 4 common, I get 1 by 4 outside. Integration is there. I get sec square x dx divided by, please check, I have taken 4 common, right? So tan square of x, but I have to take from 9 also. So 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Okay. So I can take now tan of x as t. So this whole thing will become, this will become so dt actually. So you'll have 1 by 4 dt upon, please check, t square plus 3 by 2 the square. What I get for this? I get 1 by 4 is there. Okay, and 1 by a is the formula, so 1 by 3 by 2, a is 3 by 2, tan inverse will be there, tan inverse of whatever is a, so the variable t, so right here t as tan only, tan of x by 3 by 2 plus c of course will be there. Cancel this, 2 to the 4, we get 3 to the 6, right? So what I'm getting over here, 1 by 6 tan inverse of, like that, tan, so we get 2 upside, this 2 will go up, right? We get 2 tan x by 3, 2 tan x by 3. Answer is option A. Please check, option A is correct. So you're saying, sir, solve NCERT exemplar questions. Okay, bacha. I have actually taken some questions in the regard only, but I'll try to solve some questions from NCERT exemplar. Okay, Suraj, I'll try my best. I'll just take some questions. Okay, Teju, thank you, bacha. That's my job, right? Why didn't you take account of f dash of x? I have taken, bacha, f of x plus f dash of x. That's a formula, right? This is a formula, right? Forgot. E power x fx plus f dash of x is actually a formula with dx equals to e power x fx plus c. Okay, that's the formula, right? That's what I've taken. Please check over here. Okay, Ishita, that's all right. Let's move on now. Okay, Suraj, I'll look into that, bacha. I'll solve some questions from NCERT as well. I'll take it. This is clear. 19th is done. 10th, 20th now. Just few questions to go. 5-6 questions. We'll complete the session and take your questions right away. Okay. So what I have now, area of the region bounded by the curve y equal to tan x. This check here. Tan x means the curve is there. Just check for the sign. Okay. This is, sir, pi by 2. What are they asking from? X-axis means over here. So 0 to pi by 3. So positive only, na? Positive only. So no problem. Why is, sir, positive is important? Because sometimes what will happen, no, they'll give you more than pi by 2. They have to incorporate the plus and minus sign. I'm making this changes because I want you to understand this very clearly. Please check in these questions. It takes 1 second to know. But if you don't know, you get the answer wrong. Even if you know the answer, you know how to solve the question. Check with the graph whether it is positive or not. Please check it is positive, bacha. This is your answer, right? That's the positive region. So positive means no problem, but negative means apply modulus. And you have to change the bifurcation. Positive will be positive integration will be different, and negative will be under the modulus. All of you agree? Okay. So apply this now. Tan x from where to where? From 0 to pi by 3. That's your area. Answer will be log of sec x from where to where, bacha? From 0 to pi by 3. Please check. You'll have pi by 3 as 2, na? So log sec x will become 2, right? So you'll have log 2 minus sec 0 will be 1, right? So log 1. Log 1 is 0, sir. So answer will be simply log 2. C is correct, right? Please check, guys. C is correct. Sir, solve my doubt. Okay, Darshan. I have doubt in integration of 0 to 2 of x power. Can you please answer? Darshan, okay. Integration of 0 to 2. I don't get your question, bacha. Sorry. C is correct, na? I'll try it out. Okay, let me solve the questions. Then I'll ask you especially to how do you get the question right. Okay. I'm not able to understand your question. Okay. X power is there or not? I'm not able to get. Just give me a few minutes. 20 is done. 5 more questions are there. 5 I'll complete. I'll take your question. Just be with me. Okay. Chaliye. Yeah, but there's a x power also there, bacha. I don't understand that part. I'll get that. Don't worry, I'll come to that. 20 is done. 21 I'll do. This question is a PYQ. I think so, right? It's a PYQ or not? I'm not sure actually, but it's a very good question. I've solved it so many times. I'm not sure actually for this PYQ or not. Okay, you can tell me whether it's PYQ or not. Chaliye, yes sir, C is right. Okay, chaliye, let's solve this question. Answer will be D sir actually in this question. So let's solve this first. I'll take this as a question of substitution. A equals to a sine square x. Okay, what I'm gonna get? Integration of, differentiate this first. So we'll have the derivative this as please check, sorry, x equals to, what I'm doing, what am I doing today? I'm making a lot of mistakes, right? Sorry guys, a lot of mistakes are there. We'll have this as, okay, this will be theta, right? I can't take the same variable, so I'll have this as dx equals to, please check, a will be there, so you'll have 2 into a, because this 2 will come in front, 2a into a is into sine theta, and for sine you'll have cos, so right here into cos theta, and you'll have of course d theta, right? Correct now? I'll just take some time, okay, don't worry, it looks very messy. I don't want you to know confused about these things. This is very important, you know, substitution should be right. I'll just take one step, okay, no need to rush. Okay, so if you differentiate this, you'll get dx by d theta. Okay, we'll have a as it is, differentiation of sine square will become 2 sine theta. This is for sine square. Chain rule will be there for sine, you get for this sine as cos theta. Okay, please check, my answer will become 2a sine theta cos theta. So if you feel like making it sine to theta, don't do that, okay, because there's a cancellation. Because even if I wanted to do 2 sine cos will become sine to theta. Don't do that, okay. What I have, bring this theta on d theta on this side. I'll have over here d theta equals to dx. Now substitution is there, done. So we'll start the question from here. What I get? Integration is there. A minus means root of a minus a sine square theta divided by a sine square theta into, I have this thing, this whole thing over there. So I get 2a sine theta cos theta into d theta, right? Have a look. So I can take in the numerator, first of all 2a is constant, I can take it outside the integration, and now I can take a common. In the inside we have a 1 minus sine square divided by a sine square theta, okay, and I have sine theta cos theta d theta, right? Please check, I'm getting here cos square and this a and a is cancelled, root will make this, bacha, please check, root will make this as cos, right? So we have cos theta over here, we have sine theta over here, and we have sine theta cos theta d theta, this and this is cancelled. 2a integration of cos square theta d theta, a 2a integration of 1 plus cos of 2 theta by 2. Okay, 1 second guys, I need to have some water. This one, Ishita, which one? But for the tricks, no, Ananya, for the tricks I told you, right, there's no standard tricks as such. So yes, there are some tricks in the questions, but that can be done only after solving the question. So whenever I'm doing a question, I am giving you tricks. For example, in this question, no, there's no as such trick. Where will you apply the trick? Tell me here. You either need to remember the answer or there is no trick on this question. Tell me, what can I do? But it's a good question, okay? So in all the questions, there's no, yeah, I'll do this question, don't worry. I'm explaining this, no? 21, I'm explaining this over here. All the steps are very clear, right? Yeah. So take this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled, okay? And I get a constant is outside as it is. Please check. Integration of a, bacha, will become simply theta. Okay, and for this part I'll have cos will be, please check, sine, no? Acha guys, I think whenever I did this question last time, no, I took here minus sign, so that was a mistake. Okay, that is a mistake of mine. I just checked it last time and I want to correct that. It should be plus, okay? Cos theta, very simple mistake, but it is a mistake, okay? This is done, right? Now next part is the most important part, to find the theta and cos theta, sin theta value. Please check, theta value will be what, bacha? From here you can find this, no? It will become x by a equals to sin square theta. So from here you get root of x by a equals to sin theta. It means theta becomes equals to what, bacha? From here what I get, please check. A is a constant like this. Theta becomes sine inverse of root of x by a. Now this is your only trick. Only one option as such, option D. Can you get that right? Please check. A sine inverse of x by a. Only one option as such. First term only will give you the answer. You don't have to find the second term. But I will solve it for you guys. Okay. So solve this question in 1 minute. But this question cannot be solved in 1 minute. In maths, I'll tell you what, not all the questions can be solved in 1 minute. Maximum 30 questions will be there out of 60 can be solved in 1 minute. Okay. Other questions will take time. But that is how maths is going to work, fortunately. Okay. Solving all 60 questions in 1 minute will be not possible. Maximum 35 questions you can solve, but not all of them. Okay. Others will take time. Some can be solved in less than 1 minute. You can solve it in 30 seconds, 20 seconds. Okay. So that is there. So, bacha, I think right now you should focus on top 30 and rank booster, not on master stroke. That is already done. Okay, but if you have time, you can watch the sessions. Okay, right now it should be good enough. Okay, master stroke was anyway, bacha, actually based upon your concept more, not on problem solving. Please check. Okay, so let's. Ananya, I already replied, bacha, your question. Okay, I'll just continue for this part. I need sin to theta, right? It'll become, please check, 2 sin theta cos theta divided by 2, right? 2 and 2 is cancelled. Sin theta value already I have. Please check. Root x by a, and cos theta will become, bacha, what? Cos theta will be, 1 second. 1 second. Cos theta will be 1 minus sin square theta in the root. So I get 1 minus square of sine. What I have? X by a. X by a in the root. What I get? A minus x by a. This is cos theta. And what is sin theta, sir? Sin theta is, please check, x by a. Multiply these two. What are you getting? Multiply these two. You're getting over here in the numerator x into root of a minus x divided by root of a into root of a. What you will have? X times of a minus x in the root by a. Please check. If you put that value over here, this a will cancel this outside a for the second term. That's why there is no a over here. There is no a over here. Option D is the right answer. But you don't need to do that. After the first step, you get the answer right. Okay. Please check. This is done. If you are actually, the thing is, no, trick works for those students who have solved the questions. Now, if you have solved this question, similar question comes in examination. You have done all the work. So you can actually see that from this step only answer will come. You get the substitution right. From here you can get the sine inverse value as root of x by a. Sine inverse of root of x by a. Only one option as such, answer will be D. I hope you're getting it. If you are somebody who has solved this kind of question and this question comes in examination, how can you solve the question in 1 minute? Just, we know that this process will be like this only. Okay. If I can guess from here that theta will come out to be sine inverse of root of x by a. Option D is correct. Can you do that? If you can trust your instinct, then yes, you can get the answer like this. Otherwise, I will not advise it. But if you're somebody who has solved so many times, then you will get the answer directly as option D, like the way I got. Okay. Chaliye. So this is clear. Okay. Sir, break. What is that, bacha? Rank booster MCQs and PYQs. PYQs, bacha, the thing is, no, if you want to solve more questions, I'm telling you, take Abhyas right now. Okay, you can solve the questions based upon your choice, which chapter you want to solve. Okay, but if you're asking me only questions of PYQs are enough, of course not. You have to solve more questions than that. Okay, especially in mathematics, you need to solve some KCET ready problems. If you want, you can refer any of the question bank. From a lot of publications are there. Take any publications question bank and solve questions from there. Okay, let's start. To the question number 21 is done. 22 now. 21 is clear, right? Everyone was asking this as doubt. 21 is clear, right? Okay, great. Yes, Ketana. Okay, anything else? Let's start now. No, bacha, no, only rank booster, how can it be enough? This is for students who have done this is, you can see the questions are level, no? I have taken a little tricky bit. Okay, so only rank booster is not enough. Okay, how many sessions you'll get? So of course you have to solve more questions. This is one way to do it. I'm coming here with one of the sessions. Think about it, only 25 questions will be enough for your examination? Of course not, okay? You need to prepare more and more, but this is again for students who are who has done with everything. Then you can come here and check your level of preparation and solve these questions also. This is all very important questions, but not only 25 you have to solve. I hope this is clear. You have to solve more questions. How can you solve that? Take Abhyas KCET test series right now. You can see here 35 tests, no? So you get at least 9 to 10 tests in mathematics, right? I think I'll tell you, you get 11 tests in mathematics. Into 60, how many questions are there? Solve those many, okay? Please check. 22 now. Okay. Geeta, I've been telling you about shortcut no bacha. Every question wherever I can, I will tell you the question. Some questions you can't solve by short tricks, okay? Sorry for that. So again, these questions that I've taken in the session are not short trick questions. They are all challenging ones only. So today's session questions are not short trick questions. Only they'll require effort from your side, okay? Question number 22 now, let's solve it. Darshan, I told you I'll take your question. Let me complete my 25 that I have. Students are waiting. Once you complete that, I'll take your question and solve it. If you want a hint, I can tell you, you can break this function from where to where, from 0 to 1, what's going to be the value, from 1 to 2, what's going to be the value of the function of x, okay? So you can take like that, it will be 0, it will be going to be 1, okay? Like that you can take and integrate it, okay? Getting my point? You'll have 2 integrations. Darshan, this is for you. I'm seeing your question, bacha. It's not like I'm not seeing. I'm solving the questions also, no? 22. The coordinate points of the feasible region of an LPP are this. Okay. Then the minimum value. You can see there's no point given, right? Let's check. Z is given as 4x plus 6y. It means, bacha, there will be 2 values, 2 coordinate points which will have same answer. Whether you're looking for minimum or maximum. Minimum, right? It means for 2 value of, you'll have same z minimum at 2 values actually. Let's look at which one of them are right. 0, 2. You'll get z value at 0, 2. Please check, will become 12, right? 2 into 6 will be 12. Z value at 3, 0. It'll become 3 into 4, so again 12. This is the answer, I think. Is anything more than that? No, 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 24 again, 30. So this is the minimum value possible. This is your minimum value. Okay, and occurring at 2 points. It means somewhere there will be a point. Please check. 0, 2 will be somewhere over here, and you have 3, 0 somewhere over here. So this is the line joining on this point. No, we'll have every point on this will be having the same value as 12. So minimum value. Hence, answer is option C, infinite number of points. Option C is correct. 22 is done. 23 now. Okay. Yes. No, C is not right, bacha. Answer, Ishita, please check. Okay. 22 is done. 23 now. Okay. So please check. 23 now. Unit vector perpendicular to both. Perpendicular to the plane. So this plane that is there, let's call this to be vector A and this to be vector B. Basically, I'm looking for a vector N which is perpendicular to both. So I'm gonna do what? A cross B. And this is my answer. I'm looking for a unit vector. So basically I'm looking for N cap. I'm gonna find N first. So like this I can find I, J and K. I have 1, 2 and 1 from here. 1, 2 and 1. From here I get minus 2, 1 and 3. Minus 2, 1 and 3. Please find this value. For I cap I'm getting 3 to just 6 minus 1. So 5. Okay. And for minus j cap, what I'm getting, bacha? For minus j cap, I'm getting 3 plus 2. 3 into 1 is 3 and minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, plus will become after subtraction. So we have plus k, please check. We get 1 plus 4. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. We get plus 4. I get 5i cap minus 5j cap and plus 5k cap. Okay. I can take 5 common. I'll have 5 over here. I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Okay, you can check from here only, the answer will be option B. How come, sir? I minus j plus k. I minus j plus k. Okay, option B is correct. Don't worry, I'll solve the question anyway, but if you want the answer directly, from here you can get n cap will become, bacha, this vector I minus j plus k divided by root of the square of this. So 5 square plus 5 square plus 5 square. I can take 5 square common. You'll have 5 times of this whole thing divided by 5 square common will become simply 5. You'll have 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is cancelled. I have only this bracket by root 3. What is this bracket, sir? I minus j plus k. So I minus j plus k. Option B is correct. Okay, sir, how did you know to take x that is angle y? Okay, x that take as x only. What I've taken, bacha? Chandana, I'm not getting your question, bacha. Yes, Kirtana, very good. You have done some very good work for all of the students. Yes, PYQs of 10 years is excellent choice. Rank booster will be good if you want to solve some tricky questions. MTG objective from the KCET ready section means you have to solve the problem which is coming for the KCET, not all the questions, okay? And if I can select the question, then okay. But don't do all the questions, okay? Do only selective questions like MTG, because it will be a lot of questions, so just do selective questions. And this will be enough for PCMB. Yes. That will be enough for PCMB. If you can take abhyas and see some, and don't take, if you want to take abhyas, don't take abhyas, but write some mocks, okay? Write some mocks. Please write some mock test, okay? And maintain the error book. Whatever you're making mistake, maintain the error book. You're making mistake in this question, so maintain the error book. Maintain the error book. After all of this, Kirtana, maintain error book and maintain a proper schedule for mock test. If you can do that, you'll get better rank than in 1000. You'll get a very good rank. So, sir, why can't we take x as sine theta? Bacha, which question, bacha? There's no relevance over here. So I've answered your question. MTG is good. Yes, MTG is good. Sir, but solving PYQs 10 years will have related syllabus, right? Yes. 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 That's a very good question. So if you actually refer a recent edition, no, they will remove those questions. If you actually refer a latest edition question, you'll see questions will be some questions will be removed also. So please purchase a recent edition of any PYQ book. Okay. Hi Karthik. So I can see some more questions are there. So I am not able to understand your Chandana, your question. Let me just complete 2 more questions are there. Then I'll get back to your question. 23 is done. 24 now. Please check. A and B are unit vectors. Theta is angle between them. Okay, I'm looking for sine theta by 2. Remember this formula? Cos theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta by 2, right? Correct, na? Yeah. No. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. I made a mistake. 2 sine square theta by 2 actually. So it means I have to use this formula somehow. Basically, I want to find this value, right? So basically, I have to use 2 sine square theta by 2 equals to 1 minus cos theta. So I have to make use of 1 minus cos. Basically, I have to use minus cos. It means I have to use mod of a minus b the whole square. It becomes a mod of a square plus mod of b square, and you'll have over here, please check, minus 2a b cos theta. Okay. This is sir 1, they've given unit vector, so 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 1 into 1, and you have cos theta over here. Please check. Okay, so I'm getting over here 2 is common, I get 1 minus cos theta. This is nothing but, please check, it will become 2 times of 2 sine square theta by 2. What I have, 4 sine square theta by 2 equals to mod of a minus b the whole square. Bring this 4 on this side. I'm getting over here mod of a minus b the whole square by 4 equals to sine square theta by 2. I want only sine theta by 2. It means I'll take the root on both sides. I'll have a minus b by 2 as sine theta by 2. Option is B. Done. Option is B. Correct. Okay, 24 is done. 24 is done, right? I got, I'm not getting the answers from all of you. Geeta is saying the answer is B. No one is not saying that. Okay, 24 is done. 25 now. A cross B whole square, A minus A dot B whole square, 36. Last question. Who's getting the answer for this one? Give me the answer. I'll complete the session. Then I'll take your questions. Come on, give me this answer. 25th one. Okay. Yes, very good. 25th one, give me the answer for this one. Okay, there's a property for this, right? This will become equal to, please check, square into b square. So we get 36 upon square of 3, so 9 equals to b square, right? So we have 4 equals to b square. What do you get? B equals to 2. This is a trick. Answer is D. If you know the formula, your question is done. Okay? Yes. Now I'll take your doubts. So many doubts were there. I'll go back. Darshan is saying, Darshan, are you there? Please check, Darshan. This is the question, right? What is the question, Darshan, you had? Okay. Integration from 0 to 2, right? You had this. Correct, na? This was correct, no, bacha? So you can break this function like this, right? Remember, if you take any value from 0 to 1, it will become, bacha, what? 0 only, no? Please check this. 0.999. What is that answer? 0 only. So please take from here 0 to 1. The function will be 0 dx and plus from 1 to 2. This will become 1. Correct, na? So you'll have 1 dx from 1 to 2. This is 0 means 0 only. Okay, this is 0 only. For this part you'll have x from where to where? From 1 to 2. You get the answer as 2 minus 1. What is the answer going to be? 1. Darshan, this is clear? Darshan, this is clear. Please check. Okay. So 25, this is your Darshan's question, okay? This is not a part of the answer. Something different. I'll erase this. Please check. Okay. Doubt by Darshan. Okay, now I'll take the questions. So can you explain integration of mod x by x? Mod x by x. Mod x by x. Yes, bacha, we can do that. For this, now you have to apply the conditions, define the function over here. So basically, not only mod x by x, whenever you have any modulus function, look for the critical point. Let's say you have mod x minus 2 by x, mod x, x minus 2. The critical point will become 0, right? So over here, the critical point is going to be x equal to 0. So for greater than 0 and for less than 0. Please check. For this part, you'll have the function as 1. For this part, the function will be minus 1. Integrate. This will become x, this will become minus x. Correct, now? X by x will become 1. And this will become minus x by x. So becomes again, you have minus 1. Integrate. This will become, after integration, x. This will become minus x. That's your answer. Okay, Nakul, done. So I had some more questions. So last I took was question from Kirtana. Okay, no, I took some other question. What was it? Okay, guys. Okay, so yeah, Kirtana, I took your question. So how did you take x as NLY? X that only. Okay, I don't know. Chandana, you have to post your question again. Sir, can't we take x as sine theta? Which question number, bacha? I don't know what you're talking about. Please tell me. So MTG is good. Yes, MTG is good. Yes. So solving p by q is from. Sorry, but solving p by q is from. Yeah. Yeah, don't waste time for bacha. You have to solve the deleted portions only. Take the relevant paper. Okay. Take the latest edition of the question bank. So hi Karthik, sir, but I won't be able to buy book right now. Then bacha, you have to share from some of your friends. Okay, but if you have to follow, otherwise you have to filter out. You know the deleted portions, right? It's available on the website of this KEA. Go ahead, check this out and cross check the questions. That's the only way to do it. So do you think we'll all, Nakul is saying, do you think we'll all do good in KCET? So we have put so much effort on our channel for that question only. Of course you will do good. Have you not done good in your boards? Yes, you will do good in KCET also. Just believe in yourself. I said this in the live session that we had last. Believe, have self-belief, bacha. Whatever greats you see in the world, no, whoever you take inspiration from, ask them, what is the first thing they had? They have self-belief that they can do it. You should be having that as well. Okay. Chaliye. So I think, okay, sorry, my chat was stuck, so I was not able to see your questions. Great. No, in Deeksha channel they have done reviews only. Okay, that is great. Okay, Kirtana, so if I solve from, okay, so can you explain integration? I've done that, bacha. I can use Deeksha channel for solving PYQs instead of solving the right paper. Yes, bacha, I've done, no, I've done the questions like that only. Please follow that. Okay, sir, is the first PUC sandwich theorem? Yes, it is important. Sometimes they ask, but if I see the questions, no, wait for the sessions on limits. When I do the PU1 limits PYQs, you can cross check then. Okay, but I have not seen any questions so far in that regard. Okay, chaliye. So I'm talking about sandwich theorem, question from Phoenix. Probability is not understanding what I do. Probability is like that, bacha. Actually, Geeta, I'm telling you, probability is something that can be challenging, but actually for KCET syllabus it's very easy. I can divide it. First thing is simple probabilities are there. Okay, understand your classification of your sample space. That is very important. And next you have to understand total probability, Bayes theorem, and you have to understand your conditional probability also. Conditional probability, total probability, Bayes theorem, and independent events. These are the 4 concepts. Total probability, independent events, Bayes theorem, and conditional probability. If you know all of these, questions can be done. How can you know that? I've done this session by session in my KCET series. Go ahead, check the session out. Okay, or you can refer my master stroke for probability. I've done that as well. Either do that, or please go ahead and check my, right now do one thing, check the master stroke right now. I've done all of that together in one session. If you don't understand there also, please go ahead and check my individual series. There I've done, so one topic I've done, and then I've done questions on that topic only. Basically, let's say in one session of my KCET Maths, so that's 60 or 60 series, I've done questions on Bayes theorem. So I've taught Bayes theorem and then only questions on Bayes theorem. Okay, so I like that. I think that will help you, Geeta. Okay, so hi Nikhil, hello. Phoenix is saying total 60 questions today, sir. Bacha, I didn't get. No, the question, this is last, bacha. This is last. This is done. This is your last of the question. Okay, so I've taken only 25 questions because I knew there'll be more of interaction. So only rank booster. Okay, I'm not taking total 60 questions. Okay, so Nikhil, Phoenix, this is done. Geeta, thank you. Okay, thank you, bacha. Sir, which college did you say you are from? I'm from KCET College, bacha. KCET. PES, you know, I'm from PES college. Okay, chali. Great. Anything else you want to ask? Have I missed any questions? I don't want to miss any questions. Okay, before I wind up the session, I want all of you to ask all the questions. Okay. Oh, right. Okay, so great. New generations, you know, the shortcuts of understanding it. I'm trying to, you know, get to your level. RR means right. Okay. Okay, great. Anything else I missed? Anything else you want to ask? Okay, and about that update on the, don't worry, even the update comes in the night, we will put one small video, small update, small post that yes, board results are out or coming tomorrow, like that we'll put it on our channel. Just keep the notification on. As soon we get to know, we'll put a update from our channel. You can check our community post or something like that. We can put that in the WhatsApp group also. If you join the WhatsApp channel that we have for the channel Deeksha Karnataka, WhatsApp channel will update if we get this update from the board that there's a result coming tomorrow. We'll let you know. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So means you're from Karnataka. You're from Bangalore only, Shita. Okay. See, if you know outer ring road means you're from Bangalore. Great. Okay. So. Good to know that. Sir, not started. Sir, could you help me, sir? Yes, bacha, how can I help you? So, not started means, please watch. If you have learned something for your boards, please watch my master stroke sessions for mathematics and solve questions from your master strokes, questions from your top 30. Minimum this you solve, and you can also solve sessions from KCET Master, KCET Rank Booster, if you can. So I'm telling you what, very beautifully, actually, one of my students right now, Kirtana, has compromised these things, taken everything into one account. You have to solve 10 years PYQ. Okay, watch master stroke for one short revision of your concepts, PYQs of 10 years, then go ahead. If you can take some mocks, take some mocks. Then something else also she said. Okay, I forgot. She said very beautifully, okay, one place, but yeah, rank booster you can watch, MTG objective, any reference book you can take, that objective you can take, okay, and that will be enough. Any books objective, KCET problem will be good enough. So this is okay. Sir, can I skip PNC? Yes, you can. If you don't want to, but if you skip PNC, you'll be skipping Banwell theorem also. Understand that. Okay, so do one thing, do basics of PNC, do the basic properties and formulas of PNC, because BT questions will be relevant there. Okay, so please understand that. So Nikhil, I gave you answer. How can you start? Okay, one master stroke, watch my KCET top 30. If you want, watch questions from your master stroke also, and solve 10 years PYQs, and if you can, take some mock test. Okay, so should we solve NCERT exemplars? I'll do one thing, I'll check some questions from exemplars, okay, and if I find something important in the next live session of this, I'll let you know we should do it or not, okay. And I'll tell you what, if you want to do it from your side, go ahead, check the questions. If they are of the similar trend of PYQs, then solve it, single answer. If you see the questions in the NCERT exemplar of similar kind of PYQs, solve the questions. Otherwise, if they are saying not relevant to your questions for PYQs, no need to solve it. Okay. You're welcome, Nikhil. Okay. Anything else, bacha? So any other questions? Otherwise, I can end the session now. It's been a long session. Okay. 25 questions. I don't think I've taken this much of time to solve this many questions. Okay. But there was a lot of interaction. I loved that. Okay. I would like to have more answers from all of you in the next session. Sir, I'm getting 295 in my PCM and I'm aiming for 140 plus in CET. What will be my rank? The rank to meet me in Bangalore. You know that we have a promise, right? If you get a good rank, you come here, we organize a party, we'll have fun. Okay, so you get good rank there, bacha. 140, don't aim for 140, make it 150 plus. Okay, get a very good rank. 150 plus, you want 295, you'll get around, I think you should get 3-digit rank. Minimum 3-digit rank you should get. Okay. Nakul, very good. Proud of you, man. So, sir, after this session, what should we do? Like, should we solve more math questions or change subject and then, yeah, okay. So that's your choice. You have a schedule, right? Plan accordingly. Okay, you have done the maths for this session, then you can do something else. If you have other maths to solve, you can solve that as well. That's your schedule that you have fixed for yourself, right? Follow that. So, how many hours did you study? So, but I have studied only 1 year in my entire life. That was when I was preparing for my JEE examination. And in that 1 year, I used to study, I will not tell you how many hours I used to study. I'll tell you, I used to solve 100 questions of JEE per day. Minimum of 100 questions per day. So making around 30 to 35 questions from chemistry, 20-25 questions from your physics, rest all from mathematics. Okay, that was my way of solving questions. I've done that for almost a year in JEE preparation. I got a okay rank in JEE, not good in mains. So, but I chose to get a good rank in PCET. I joined PCET. Okay, that's okay. So yeah, I will not tell you the hours, but questions was 100 plus, not 100, less than 100, 100 plus questions every day for 1 year. That was my preparation journey. That changed my course of academic path. So that is it. With this, I'm going to end the session now. I cannot see any more questions about the subject, about the content. So with this, session is over. Please go ahead and carry on with your preparations. Okay, I know your time is very important. Let's not waste it, even a single minute of your time. Okay, see you again very soon in the next session of your rank booster series. You can see the questions will be of similar kind, similar competition level. Some challenges will be there. But yes, all of you are worried about tricks. I understand that. If I was a student, I'll also be worried about that, because bacha, what happens now? 60 questions to be solved in 60 minutes. Okay, almost 60 minutes is very difficult in mathematics. Okay, but don't worry about that. You don't have to solve 60 questions. Solve 50 only. Okay, but solve 50 right. That's more than enough, right? Solve 45. Solve 45 right. And out of 45, I'm telling you, 30 will be easy questions, bacha. Please check 1 year PYQ. Okay, do one thing. Check the previous year paper. Check how many questions are simple. That's what I'm saying. Write mock test. Write mock test. When you write mock test, you get to know all of this. This hesitation will go away if you're writing a lot of mock test. Please write mock test. I think not all of you are writing mock test right now. Sir, I'm getting, okay, that is clear, bacha. Sir, I should write second attempt. No, 295 is clear. Don't do that. 295 is more than enough. Okay, don't focus or give your energy on that. Give your energy on KCET right now. 295 is good enough. Okay, even if you, let's say, get 1 mark extra, 296, 97, it's okay, but you have to put a lot of effort. Okay, again, if you think that without any effort you get to 300 plus 300, then very good. If you think that you can get without effort 300 or 300, do that. But if you have to put a lot of effort for that, it's okay. 2 marks, 1 mark will be not that much. I will not suggest that. Focus your energy right now on KCET. Try to score 150 plus, 160 plus in KCET. That should be, put all of your energy in that. Okay, Nakul? So with this, session is complete. I hope to see you again very soon. That is all. Okay. So I'm gonna end the session now, bacha. So there's no question. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.